What is Ayurveda? Ayurveda is perhaps the oldest healthcare system in the world and comes from the Indian subcontinent. Ayurveda is based on the scientific principles of diagnosis and treatment. It differs from traditional medicine in the basic principles of research and determining the causes for processes, rather than specific physiological areas. Ayurveda has been in fashion since 5,000 years ago. Our Vedas have repeatedly mentioned the effectiveness of Ayurveda as a science of a healthy lifestyle. The Western world is now aware of the importance of Ayurveda in the treatment of chronic diseases such as arthritis, paralysis, stroke, neurological disorders, etc. Even WHO has praised the Ayurveda system. It differs from traditional medicine in the basic principles of research and determining the causes for processes, rather than specific physiological areas. The growing awareness of herbal medicine in Western markets such as the USA, UK, Canada and Japan, and advances in biotechnology were two of the main reasons that led us to offer such a platform. The key to success with Ayurvedic Cure Inc. is the quality of the ingredients used, how the formulas are based on ancient Ayurvedic traditions, a thorough manufacturing process and an ongoing research program to test and evaluate new and old products. Here are some important herbs and their uses. Ashwagandha, Withania somnifera, winter cherry. Ashwagandha is traditionally used in many ways, as a sedative, diuretic, anti-aging tonic, anti-inflammatory and as an adaptogen, endurance enhancer. Many Western herbalists call this herb Ayurvedic ginseng because of its reputation for increasing energy, strength and stamina, as well as its ability to relieve stress. It is especially useful for stress-related disorders such as arthritis, hypertension, diabetes, general weakness, etc. It has also shown impressive results when used as stimulants for the immune system. Amla, Emblica officinalis, Indian gusaiberry. Amla contains the highest amounts of vitamin C, ascorbic acid, phyllombine, phylomblic acid, gallic acid, ellagic acid in natural form and a cytokine-like substance identified as cetin, ziriboside, tannin Z nucleotide 30%. This is one of the strongest anti-aging agents in the Indian pharmacopoeia. It contains 30 times more vitamin C in oranges. Its antibacterial, carminative, hypoglycemic, gastric, hypotensive and astringent effects prevent infection, promote healing of ulcers, treat jaundice, dyspepsia and cough and control increased acidity. Alma is a good cardiotonic, and its mild stimulating effect on the heart helps control blood pressure. The use of Indian gooseberries enhances the anti-diabetic effect of Carla. Philanthus emblica is a very good hair tonic. Brahmi, Bacopa maniera. In addition to enhancing intellectual and cognitive functions, Brahmi evokes a sense of peace and quiet among users. It is unique in its ability to enhance mental processes, while reducing the effects of stress and nervous anxiety. This makes Brahmi extremely useful in very hard work or study, where clarity of mind is just as important as the ability to work under pressure. Many people have the intelligence to meet stringent standards, but they lack the confidence to achieve them. In addition, Brahmi helps calm nervousness and anxiety. Brahmi is ideal for students and workers facing this problem. Shalaki, Boswellia serrata. Today its main use is as an anti-inflammatory for treating rheumatoid arthritis, juvenile rheumatoid arthritis, lower back pain, myositis, fibrositis and osteoarthritis. The experimental and clinical use of boswellia shows that it has no side effects on blood pressure, heart rate for stomach irritation, and stomach ulcers associated with many anti-inflammatory and anti-arthritic drugs. It is currently an approved herbal remedy in India for the treatment of osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, soft tissue rheumatism, lower back pain, myositis and fibrositis. In the United States, Boswell doctors give high marks for effectiveness. Dr. E.V. McDonough, a doctor from Kansas City, reported successes among approximately 350 patients suffered from various progressive diseases of the muscles and bones that did not help other treatments. Corella, bitter gourd, bitter melon, Momordica charantia. Bitter melon, also known as Corella, Momordica charantia or bitter gourd, is an herb that helps regulate blood sugar and supports the body's normal functioning. It contains germarin, a polypeptide that is thought to be similar to bovine insulin, which has been shown in experimental studies to achieve a positive effect on sugar regulation by suppressing a nervous response to stimulate a sweet taste. The main ingredients of chlorella are lectins, quarantine and momerditsin. Fruits have long been used in India as a remedy for diabetes. Lectins from bitter gourd showed significant antilipolytic and lipogenic activity. Shilajit asphalt. This is Shilajit, one of Ayurveda's most powerful and unique anti-aging treatments. Ancient medical literature attributes the many health benefits of Shilajit, known as the conqueror of the mountains and the destruction of weakness. It is said that there is hardly a curable disease that Shilajit cannot help. Historically, Shilajit has been used for general physical strengthening, anti-aging, stabilizing blood sugar, libido, healing injuries, rejuvenating the urine, improving brain function, healing bones, rejuvenating the kidneys, strengthening the immune system, arthritis, hypertension, obesity and many other uses for several conditions. Garlic, Lacuna, Allium sativum, platelet and lipid-lowering activity in Lacuna provides smooth coronary function. Garlic is considered one of the most effective means of lowering blood pressure. Pressure and tension are reduced because it is able to weaken the spasm of the small arteries. It also slows down the heart rate and changes the heartbeat, in addition to alleviating the symptoms of dizziness, shortness of breath, and gas in the digestive tract. It has an antiseptic effect and is an excellent tool for infectious diseases and inflammation of the stomach and intestines. Human studies show that eating garlic regularly reduces the risk of developing cancer of the esophagus, stomach, and colon. This is partly due to the ability of garlic to reduce the formation of carcinogens. Triphala, the cornerstone of Ayurvedic medicine, is a complex herbal preparation containing in equal proportions the fruits of 3 microbalans, Emblica officinalis, Terminalia cebula and Terminalia bellarica. When used for a long period of time, it helps to reduce excess weight. This contributes to good colon health and acts as a laxative without causing seizures or irritation. It gently stimulates the intestinal wall, restores colon tone and helps in elimination, providing a cleansing effect on the colon. When used for a long period of time, it helps to reduce excess weight. This contributes to good colon health and acts as a laxative without causing seizures or irritation. It gently stimulates the intestinal wall, restores colon tone and helps in elimination, providing a cleansing effect on the intestine. Gugulu, Bdellium, Commiphora mucul. Studies show that 14 to 27% of LDL cholesterol and 22 to 30% of triglyceride levels were reduced when Gugul was given to men and women with high cholesterol for 12 weeks without changing their diet or exercise. Studies in laboratory animals show that Gugul can help improve thyroid function. Since the thyroid gland produces hormones that are necessary for the regulation of metabolism, it can help with weight loss. Studies show that Gugul can alter the metabolism of thyroid hormones, increase circulating T3 or triiodothyroxine, a thyroxine metabolite that is known to increase overall metabolism, which in turn increases fat burning. Since Gugul supports atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries, which can prevent blood flow to and from the penis, Gugul can be a cure for impotence, which many men seek. Tulsi, holy basil, Tulsi has antioxidant properties and helps increase the body's ability to fight the harmful free radicals that are associated with disease and aging. This is an adaptogen that helps the body deal with the effects of constant stress, and also balances the mind, nerves and emotions. Tulsi supports breast and lung health. In fact, it helps protect all airways. It is anti-inflammatory. An herb that promotes optimal breathing support. Tulasi has antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, mucus properties and is useful for respiratory infections. Helps with respiratory stress. Neem, Azadirachta indica. Neem effectively kills acne-causing bacteria, and studies show that neem will reduce inflammation, even inflammation caused by acne. In the case of eczema, clinical studies show that even the use of weaker extracts of neem leaves effectively cures acute conditions in eczema, which is to say about fresh cold-pressed oil with its high concentration of active ingredients. Modern clinical studies have identified a number of compounds in the neem tree that effectively regulate the functions of the immune system. If you drink a simple cup of tea from leaves or take extracts of neem leaf, then it significantly and consistently reduces the need for insulin for non-tonic, insulin-fast and insulin-sensitive forms of diabetes. Arthritis pain, inflammation and swelling of the joints can be significantly reduced by using various compounds in it. Arjuna, Terminalia arjuna, arjun improves cardiac muscle and heart function. Scientific studies have shown that arjun is very effective when used regularly for a period of time to treat angina pectoris, coronary heart disease, heart failure, edema, and possibly hypercholesterolemia. Studies have also shown that arjun has a positive effect on the treatment of gonorrhea. Outwardly, this herb has been used to treat acne, blemishes, wounds, dysentery, and diarrhea.